Hello, Veronica Kitty Duterte. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. First and foremost, I know it's really cold. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year. Tatay Digong sends his greetings to everyone daw, every Filipino here today. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year daw. So at first he thought na no one would be here because again, it's the holidays.
Uh-huh.
The holidays. But I told him no, people come there almost every time.
Yeah.
And he's happy to hear that.
Uh-huh.
He's happy to have you all, and he said more power to you all now.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Kit, nawala na akong
Kamot biyak eh.
Kitty, how was your celebration of New Year here in Europe?
It was good. Was very happy. A really happy New Year. Still incomplete because of my father's absence, but still happy and I'm still feeling blessed. Nonetheless.
Kit, can you share to us how did the former president celebrated his New Year, if it's possible?
Walang bago sa kanya. You know, he's a man of habit. I asked him the exact same question a while ago. He said, wala, tulog, kain, TV. So, yun yung ano niya, kasiyahan niya. So,
Kitty, now that it is 2026, is there something that you wish to do in 2026 to change maybe or some sort of?
Luckily, fortunately, all of my goals for 2025, nagawa ko naman sa awa ng Diyos. Maybe for 2026, I just pray to be a better version of myself and stronger, fiercer for my family.
Yeah. Kitty, mabuhay ka. Is there something you want to share to the Filipino people for the New Year's time?
For the New Year's time, wala. It's the same thing every time, no? Maybe I think with everything going on in social media, because I know people, especially my age, who are so addicted to social media. I think it would help if we stop comparing ourselves and only compete with ourselves. Because what I aim to be every day is a better version of myself, not someone else, right? So yeah, I think everyone should, try to apply that mindset.
Thank you, Kitty. Mabuhay ka.
Thank you. Mabuhay kayo.
Ano ang inyong reaksyon patungkol dito? Para sa iba pang mga katanungan o suhestyon, i-comment nyo lamang sa ating comment section.